There is a lot to do in Athens to keep yourself entertained. Athens has been a very popular tourist attraction since the 18th century. Some of the main attractions are all of the ancient ruins. One of the most interesting structures in Athens, as well as one of the main attractions, is the Parthenon. The Parthenon was a temple that was built and dedicated to the city's patron, Athena. Athens was named after Athena, who was the goddess of wisdom and war in ancient Greece. This temple is the most famous because it is considered to be the most proportioned building in the entire world. It stayed in decent condition until the mid-17th century when it was badly damaged. Another thing that tourists like to do when visiting Athens is to go to all of the museums that contain many of the ancient artifacts. Athens is home to many famous playwrights and philosophers, including Euripides, Sophocles, Plato, Socrates, and Zeno. There are year-round theater scenes in the city and plays by some of the ancient as well as modern Greeks, and those are produced. There are over 100 movie theaters as well as the interesting outdoor theaters that open in the summertime, one of which is shown in the pictures you are viewing.